Next up on the Wisball field, we're going to have the Slime Balls on the left versus the Annapolis A team on the right.
Some guys just came by on your team. Pick it up. Thank you. I'm smiling, but you can't see.
Yeah, we can tell. You can see it in the eyes.
We don't have a flag. Yeah, we don't have a flag. Yeah, we need a flag. Where's the flag? Ref! Ref! Does this count as one? Yeah. Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. Let's put it right.
Put it over there. You gotta put it on the hook. On the bulldog clip.
I don't know, I guess I use this thing called the brain. I don't know if it works.
There you go. So, Slime Balls on the left, Annapolis A team on the right.
Yeah, you must.
We're just waiting for the 10 seconds.
Give it your all to get there.
Yeah, I know.
10 seconds.
Go, 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 go.
And Slime Balls are off. 3 on the left, 3 down the trench. And 4 to the right. The famous Nick Kakuza. So the Slime Balls are up hard. They're already on the 3 players on the tape line, up at their 40. These live streams brought to you by ICPL and Inception Designs.
Slime one?
Oh, youch, that one's done. Sandals with 4 players on this tape. And Slime Balls lose 1 player from the very tape, second bunker back. So Annapolis A losing a player as well. Slime Balls losing the back player from this tape. I'm not sure where he got shot from. Both teams have lost at least 2 players. I'm not hearing many kill counts to know what's happening on the other side of the field.
Wait! Press my 400. Coming from the east. Does the center guy just fill it? I didn't know like there was nothing going on, and I heard all the guys. They walked straight into the guys.
Yeah, we were at the 40 on the right.
Hey, it's at least kill 2, Justin. Ricky's the only one on the right.
Me and him are sitting there like looking over the TV.
So Slime Balls just pushed up on this tape. So Slime Ball came through the middle, through the thick, and eliminated.
I think he got shot.
Get that red band, Lynn! One down my wire. I have one coming down my wire.
Yeah, at least
I know at least 3 Slime Balls have been eliminated. I believe at least 2 Annapolis A have been eliminated. Go for a walk in the woods. Dead players aren't behind the flag station, so not going to be able to count there. Slime balls are moving down on the far side of the trench. He's at the 50 on the other side of the trench. I'll be able to just see him on the right hand side of your frame. He has been spotted by the Annapolis player. And he's hit. It's the Annapolis player at home base. Takes out the slime ball from the middle of the field. Annapolis is starting to push the left-hand tape as well. Annapolis pushing the left. Two players, I think. That's the slime ball player coming out, I believe. It is very quiet in the middle and other side of the field. Only guns I hear are on this tape. Annapolis A on the 60 on the spectator tape. They just eliminated the slime ball that was on the 80. They're calling out at least 6 slime balls eliminated. So I think they ran out of time. They run out of time?
Time expired.
Thank you. So that was time expired between Slime Balls and Annapolis A.